going to begin by cutting strips of the flannel from this leftover shirt I have from another project I did, where I cut the back out of a flannel shirt I got from a thrift store to make a scarf. And so I still have some pieces left, and I'm going to use it to make some garlands. So I'm just going to cut some strips of the fabric. Now that I have cut the strips, I'm going to measure out some string to be, I'm going to make a 5-foot garland. So I got my tape measure. I'm going to cut it at 5 feet. I want to give the garland some loops to hang things on or to hook it onto something. So I'm going to give it a little slip knot end on both ends. Now that can be tightened onto something. And that one can. So I have my flannel strips for the garland, but it seemed I wanted something else to go with it, and I found some of this ribbon that I had left over from another project, and I thought that might look good with it. And I just really like lace, so I'm going to use lace and this ribbon to also go on the garland. So I'm going to start with a flannel piece, and I'm going to fold it in half and hold it over, or put that under the string, and pull my flannel up, and there's the loop. I'm going to pull it through the loop, and then pull it tight. So there's my first flannel tassel. I don't know what you want to call it. There's my first flannel bit. Okay, and then I'm going to add a lace the same way I just did that flannel. Like that. And I think this is a big space to me. I'm gonna do this ribbon right here. And the nice thing about this is you can try it. Like, I'm gonna do this ribbon here, and if I don't like it, I can take it off. I don't have to use it. It's not permanent, or I can move it if I need to move it. So I'm going to repeat this pattern all the way across the garland, and we'll see what it looks like when it's done. Okay, I'm already deciding I did not like that maroon ribbon, and I want this lace to be I want to scoot it down a little bit. So I'm going to do a pattern of the flannel tassel and then a lace tassel. That's hard to say. Now I'm going to try another type of garland with yarn. So I'm going to go ahead and cut another 5-foot piece of string. Find my scissors. gonna go ahead and put those slip knots on the ends so there's something to hook onto. Alright. Okay, here I did some examples of the yarn tassels. I think I'm gonna go with the pattern of yellow, brown, orange, brown, yellow, brown, orange, brown. And so here I have cut myself a string that I can measure everything to so that the strings are mostly the same size. I did about a 9-inch string, and I want 15 strands per tassel. So I match up my yarn, fold it in half. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then I just cut the end off. Okay. And then I come and I cut the loops. Take this group of yarn, wrap it around my string, and then I'm going to cut myself just a small little string section, and I'm going to take the section I just cut off, wrap it around the yarn, the tassel, and I'm going to make a knot. I think I got pulled out a little bit. There we go. And that is how I made my tassel.
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.